What is up, everybody? Here we are talking all about Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here we are again. Well, here we are again, once again, because this is the 29th part, okay? So, Principle 29 is an interesting one about silence. Thanks a lot, Cicada. You're really helping with my silence idea here. Basically, he's saying that when we go into silence, this place where we just close our eyes and we can enter a zone of silence where everything can start to make sense and we can really have that kind of experience. Now, if you don't know a lot about Dr. Wayne Dyer, he has a lot of stuff on silence. It's the space between the bars that holds the tiger. It's the silence between the notes that makes the music, that kind of stuff. And he's got this getting in the gap meditation. I recommend you try that out because it's pretty amazing. And I think it can be super useful. But his idea here is that you can retreat into silence at any point and just relax in that zone and just feel at peace. And this is a great idea for many people because relaxation in many cultures really says you need to buy a product to relax, you need to watch this to relax, you need to have this drink to relax, you need to have this new hammock or this couch or this lazy boy or whatever. You need to have these things to relax. And he's saying you don't actually have to have these things. You can just close your eyes and enter this zone of silence. Now, this isn't always easy because, as we know about meditation may start off deceptively easy, but it gets pretty hard pretty quickly. It's hard to keep going at doing that. And basically, his idea here of silence is you don't even need to meditate. What you're doing is you're just kind of closing your eyes. You're narrowing your senses and you're just trying to focus inwardly for a moment. And this really gets you into more of an alpha wave state. And as we know about relaxation, alpha waves are really a good state for relaxation. Just brainwave wise, because we're normally in this kind of beta brainwave state, and you can stimulate beta brainwaves in specific manners and stuff like that. And he's saying, okay, let's get out of beta for a little bit and go into alpha. Let's get into this place of silence to relax so our minds can relax and just be at peace. And so that's really what this one's about. So that's part 29 for you. I will see you next time with part 30. So thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you then.